Menteri rang baka jela ukon rat ke Sangma ulaong baka Sorkar jela kala Plie lat daki kam Lajong na kabenta ki Samla balandang la Stad kamtam haki jaka jengokai perthai kani kajing ong jung menteri kala mi hadin baka FKJGP kala rai ban penlong da rali halor kajing bun ki Samla bam dan kam dan jam haka jela.
See, unemployment is one of the biggest challenges that every government faces, and hence it's not just here, but it's a challenge throughout the world. And therefore concerns are there, and hence we have realized that the only way to tackle these problems is to promote entrepreneurship in order to ensure that we have small scale businesses coming up, to ensure that the small value addition that can be done to the products that we have can be there, to be able to provide the services when it comes to service sectors like vehicles and transportation. So you'll be seeing that in every step of the way as we move along, whether it's the homestays that we're doing, whether it's the tourism vehicles or the vegetable, the agriculture vehicles that we are going to distribute, whether it's a prime program where over 1,000, entrepreneurs have been supported, whether it's a self-help group movements we're having at the grassroots level. All these programs are actually directed towards helping and creating jobs. So unemployment is a continuous challenge that all governments face, and Meghalaya is not the only one. So therefore, it is a challenge, and we're not saying that there is no unemployment, but compared to many other states in the country, the national records in the survey show that Meghalaya is in a better position. Do we have to do more? Obviously, we have to do more. What are we doing? The things that I've mentioned to you is what we're doing. So therefore, the concerns are obviously there, and we as a government are doing our best. But this is a dynamic situation, and it keeps changing, keeps varying. Different situations lead to different challenges, and we have to adjust and accordingly move forward. So yes, it's a challenge, but we are doing our best in different programs to address the issue of unemployment.
We are more concerned that these vacant posts are lying and no recruitment process is done, though the government blame it that the roster system is still being...
It's not a blame. We have already advertised more than 2,300 posts are right now, interviews are going on. 1,300 teachers have been already appointed in these vacant posts where the contractual teachers were there. These are technically vacant posts. So if you look at it, almost 4,500 different levels the employment has happened or is under process that's happening. So clearly the steps are being taken by the government. So one cannot say that it's not happening. We had a challenge because of COVID. We mentioned that we could not conduct exams, we could not conduct interviews. These have happened for us. But in spite of that, as I said, 1,300 teachers were appointed, and almost close to 2,300 plus vacancies are being filled up, and the process is on as well.